Don't share right now. Yeah, we will make some announcement and then you share your things. Okay, okay, so the final unit of semester 2, and this is a novel written by British Japanese writer Kazuo Ishiguro, and the title of the novel is An Artist of the Floating World. An Artist of the Floating World, the title. And before we enter into this text, let us request students to make an introductory presentation on this novel. So, two students are there who are going to make a presentation today, Lata and Khushbu. So, now you can share your screen and make your presentation.
Yes. Good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Yeah.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So today, me and Khushbu we are going to discuss about historical novel, an artist of the floating world. This historical novel was written by Sir Kazuo Ishiguro, who was born on November 8, 1954 in Nagasaki, Japan. He was an Japanese-born British novelist known for his lyrical tales of regret fused with uh, subtle optimism. In 2017, he won the Nobel Prize for Literature for his work that uncovered the abyss beneath our illusory sense of connection with the world. The novel was first published in 1986. Ishiguro is a prolific and well-known
Yes,
novelist.
Lata. Yes, your screen is not shared. Maybe some network issue in that device. So you have to share again. We are
Uh,
seeing a blank screen here.
Khushbu, Khushbu is sharing,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
yes, I'm sharing again. 1 minute.
yeah.
Yes, now it's visible, sir.
Yes, yeah, yeah, visible. Now continue. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So the novel, An Artist of the Floating World, was published in 1986. Ishiguro is a prolific and well-known novelist, famous for his books The Remains of the Day and Never Let Me Go. He also won Booker Prize and won the Nobel Prize in 2017. He was also knighted in 2019. An Artist of the Floating World, his second novel, is an example of his earlier writing and was well received, earning a Whitbread Award. This novel is uh, particularly well known for its use of unreliable narrator Masuji Ono. It tells the story of Ono, a retired Japanese artist trying to come to terms with changes in his country after the Second World War. Ishiguro himself was born in Japan but emigrated to the United Kingdom as a child and did not return to Japan until after publishing An Artist of the Floating World. He was said that by writing about places with which he is unfamiliar, such as post-war Japan in the novel, he is able to write more imaginatively. Including an artist of the floating world. His other works are notable. These are the White Countess, When We Were Orphans, and the Pale View of Hills. If we talk about the significance of the title of the novel's title is based on the literal translation of ukiyo, a word referring to the Japanese art of paints. Therefore, it can be read as a paint maker or an artist living in a changing world. Given both Ono's limited understanding and the dramatic changes his world, Japan is the first half of the 20th century has undergone in his lifetime. The title also reflects an artistic genre. Ono's master is especially interested in depicting scenes from the pleasure district ascent to the villa in which he and his students live. Ono mentioned the ephemeral nature of the floating world that could be experienced during each night. His master's experiment with innovative, softer Western style painting techniques, rejecting the hard black outlining that were considered more traditional. Under the influence of right-wing political ideas about tradition, Ono becomes estranged from his master and forage his own career. He feels gleeful when his master's paintings fell into disfavor during a return of the use of more traditional, bold lines in the paintings used for nationalistic posters. The summary of the novel is, though the book dwells on events from Ono's childhood and early adulthood, it is held together by a linear thread taking place in the novel's present, the late 1940s and the 1950s. This thread describes Ono's attempt to arrange a marriage for his younger daughter, Noriko. He believes that his reputation in the shambles because of his early nationalistic paintings, and he grieves for the family members lost in the war. As we know, in the novel, we can see that the protagonist of the novel lost his son and his wife during the war. Over the course of the novel, Ono's narration flashes between past and present, and he often calls his own reliability into question by interrogating the accuracy of his own memories. The novel deals with themes including war, solitude, againing, and death and grief. The novel has 4 parts, and this is October 1948, April 1949, November 1949, and June 1950. For further discussion, I would like to call Khushbu.
Thank you, Lata, for a very interesting presentation. Now I present from my side. First, I introduce some of the characters. Masuji Ono is the protagonist of the novel, and he is the narrator of the novel. And
Again, you'll have to reshare your.
yes, sir. Just a minute.
Yes, yeah.
Sir, just a minute. There is a low network, so
Okay. Yeah.
Masuji Ono is the protagonist and narrator of the novel. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Setsuko is Masuji Ono has two daughters, and Setsuko is his older daughter, and Noriko is his younger daughter. Setsuko is married already, and he has a son of 7 years, and Ichiro. And then we have Dr. Seito. He is an art professor and with good social status. Then we have Jiro Miyaka, who with whom the Noriko's marriage are going to take place, but it fails. Then we have Kuroda. He is the promising student of Masuji Ono, and then we have Shintaro. He is less promising student. Actually, Kuroda is most promising student of Masuji Ono, but Ono gives his name because of his unpatriotic activities, which leads Kuroda's arrest and interrogation and mistreatment in prison. For this reason, the Kuroda dislikes him, and this also has negative influence in Noriko's marriage prospects. Then we have Shintaro. Shintaro and Dono are very good, means they are having good relations. But when even Masuji Ono helps Shintaro's brother Yoshio in getting a job, but when Shintaro asks Ono to get him a job in school, then Masuji Ono rejects him, and so their friendship ends. Then Mrs. Kawakami, she is a bar owner in Pleasure District, and but due to the war, she has to sell her bar. Then then we have one interesting character, Yasunari Nakahara. He is also known as Tortoise because of his very slow painting, and this all Ono changes his art. When Ono changes his art to Matsuda's ideas instead of Morrison, then Tortoise dissociates himself from Ono because he says that Masuji Ono is a traitor. Uh, then there are some themes which I would like to explain. First, we take the symbols: the bridge of hesitation, fire, a samurai, a reception room, and sake and cowboys. These are the symbols. Bridge of hesitation is the when Masuji Ono crosses the bridge to get to his home. Then fire is the symbol because Masuji Ono's father burns the paintings of Masuji Ono in fire because he does not want his son to become an artist. So the fire is also a symbol. Then samurai were Japanese warriors, and reception room is an place where most important conversation takes place. And in this room, Masuji Ono's father burned his painting, and even Masuji Ono communicates with his daughter Setsuko in this room. Sake, which is a wine. This sake is a symbol, which is the meaning is wine, and it's made from rice. Then cowboys. When Ichiguro, when Ichiguro tells him his interest like for cowboys, then Masuji Ono is little bit disturbed by this because he is ignoring the Japanese culture and following the American culture, which disturbs Masuji Ono very much. There is a generation gap and there is ideological values difference between both of them. that Masuji Ono does not like his grandson to follow the American values, and they actually like the American liberalism much more. And this younger generation, coming generation, follow American values and traditions, and they are happy with their rule also. Yeah, then we have this some another symbol, smell of burning lanterns and garden. Smell of burning is here. Masuji Ono dislikes the smell of burning because of three places he feels he has a bad experience of the smell of smoke. First, when his own father burns his paintings. And that smell of smoke irritates him. And in fact, he is more drawn to his achieving his dream. And then when in the smell of bomb, on that time also the smoke disturbs because his own wife and his own son are killed at the end of the war. So here also smoke disturbs him. Then we have lanterns. Here the Morrison, who includes lanterns in each and every of his paintings, and he tries to capture the shade of the lantern light in all his paintings, trying to capture each and every minute details rather than nationalists or concerns of the big business people and other big topics. So he's concentrating on the smaller moments and minute details of life. Then we have garden. Actually, Masuji Ono has changed three of his teachers. First, he went to Takeda, then he left and went to Morrison, and then he left Morrison and went to Matsuda. But he never applied the garden in his painting. But later, at the end of his life, he puts plants and flowers in his own paintings, and he is happy with that. From this, it is clear that Ono's interest in depicting gardens with his true passion all along, which unknowns to him, might have provided him with the material to make a truly valuable contribution in the artist. So in this way, we can see that four novel is presented in the four main periods, and Masuji Ono is more an unreliable writer. Then we have politicization of art. Art is a central theme of the novel, but
if you can also show the screen, because we are seeing on the screen, we are seeing bridge of hesitation, fire only. Yeah. Are there other things which you are speaking on the screen or not?
Actually, sir, this some of the parts are little skipped somewhere. So okay, then I can end the presentation.
If you can show top, at the top, is it there? This all things that you are talking, have you put it on your blog also or not?
Sir, some of the things are missed out in my blog. I have missed out to put in the blog.
Okay. So then you can stop presenting and then you can talk about it. Yeah.
So art, so we can say that it is a question that art can we rely on art thoroughly or not? So it is a question. Here this novel arises. Okay, so thank you. This was my presentation. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for this introductory presentation, and you have both of you have touched upon some important aspects of the writer and the novel. Kazuo Ishiguro, born in 1954 in a very famous city, Nagasaki, which is well known for the damage that it suffered in Second World War. During Second World War, there was dropping of atomic bomb on Nagasaki, Japan. His works are dealing with a kind of a regret along with optimism. So we'll talk a little bit about that also in our discussion. He got Man Booker Prize as well as Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize he got in 2017. This novel is published in 1986. It's 1986, this novel. And this novel brought the writer in the limelight as somewhere a notable writer. The book also was listed for Man Booker Prize, though it was not the book which got the Booker Prize, but it was listed, shortlisted for the award of Booker. It is 1986 is the publication date, but it is the story is about 48, 49, 50, 1948, 1949, 1950. So that is after Second World War. The setting in this novel is around that time. One of the interesting thing of this novel, which makes it a modernist or postmodernist narrative, is also his unreliable narrator. So that becomes interesting to see. Title of the novel, we will discuss briefly more also on Artist of the Floating World, how in a different way it can be seen. And then there is a quite an interesting list of characters here also, which can also be interesting to see, and how with the help of the study of characters, we will discuss the plot also. Yeah. Okay, so this characters we will see, and themes, some of the interesting themes which this novel brings, which also make this a very unique novel. That also was discussed by Lata and Khushbu. Okay, fine. So let us give a break to the recording with this presentation by students. It was a brief introductory presentation by students on the novel by British Japanese writer Kazuo Ishiguro. The title of the novel, An Artist of the Floating World.